Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to find the area of this yellow shaded region. We are given the length of this segment and also this segment, and it's also a quarter circle. You can see that the radius of the circle is sum of these two segments. So the radius is 2. If we draw a line from the center of this quarter circle to the circumference, this segment will be also 2, and we have a right triangle. We have a right angle here because this is a straight angle, and you can see that this segment is half the length of this hypotenuse. So we have a 30, 60 and 90 triangle, and in this triangle the length of the segment or side opposite to this angle is half the length of the hypotenuse. So this angle will be 30 degree. That makes this angle 60 degree. In this triangle, the length of this side is a square root of 3 divided by 2 times a. So if we want to find the value of this length, and I call it b, b is equal to a square root of 3 divided by 2 times a. The square root of 3 divided by 2 times a, and a is 2. So we'll have a square root of 3. So we can write a square root of 3 here. So for the area, we have a sector here. So we should find the area of a sector with the radius of 2 and the angle of 60 degrees. And from this sector we can subtract this region, which is a right triangle. So we can write area of a triangle, and we have the length of these sides. So we can write for area of a sector alpha divided by 360 times pi r squared minus b h divided by 2. Alpha is 60 divided by 360 times pi times r squared, which is 2 to the power of 2, minus b, which is the square root of 3, times h, which is 1 divided by 2. So we can divide this numerator and denominator by 60. We get 1 here and 6 here. So we can write 4 pi over 6 minus the square root of 3 divided by 2. We also can divide this and this by 2. We get 2 here and 3 here. We can write 2 pi over 3 minus the square root of 3 divided by 2. And this is the final answer to the problem. Have a good time.